Hello, friend and sir and ma'am. My name is Vinay Pravakar Kode. I am a SAS Institute of Management Studies second year student of MMS. Today we are presenting the roles of human resource in strategic human resource management. Let's introduce our topic. Introduction about our topic. The David Aldrich, the real HR guru who defined the most common HR roles model, which commonly used on the market. The model is well known for the introduce mainly aspect of human research with the highest value added. The main contribution of the David Aldrich HR model was the start of the movement from the functional HR orientation to the more partnership. The organization in HRM function is business partnership is not possible to implement without a major shift in the HR organization. And the benefit was a more responsible and flexible the organization of human resource, which is allowed to many HR professional to become a real respected business partner. Yeah, and next with further roles of human resource in strategic human resource management. Look at here, four quadrant over here was strategic partner, second is change agent, third is administrative expert, and fourth is employee champion. The strategic partner and change agent is mainly focused on future and strategic focus. And second is administrative expert and employee champion is day to day and operational focus in our organization. And strategy partner and administrative expert is the main process of the organization, and change agent and employee champion is related to the people to related people problem solving in the organization, and strategy partner and administrative expert is main process of the organization. And next is a understood our strategic partner, develop and align strategy with the business. Yes, is a develop strategy and align with the organization and with the business to further the future focus in the organization. The assist line manager to solving the organization people and change related issue in the organization. They contribute to management and dealing to strategic decision making in the organization. The foster system thinking and customer focus in the organization is strategy partner do, and strategically manager workforce development in the organization is strategy partner mainly use it. And second thing is a change agent. The agent is understand the organizational culture and institutionalizations. The institutionalization change is consultant within the organization and assist the line to be lead a facilitate in organization change. And second is act as the consultant in organization effectiveness. They enhance the management and development organization. And second thing is administrative expert. The administrative expert, they create and deliver effective and efficient HR process in tolerate the manage people and HR related costs here administrative the organization do, and the ensure the internal and external customer focus in the organization. The apply information technology change rapidly quality deliver the HR product and services. Yes, the HR related technology is provided daily rapidly quality delivered in the organization and rapidly provided the organization. This means the administrative expert do in organization. And second, the employee champion. The employee champion helps the implement the action that enhance the human capital and contribution in the organization. The employee champion, the people related come up with and help build a workforce commitment. Yes, the help the build is workforce commitment. Yes, commitment will do the organization that help to organization to better perform in the organization. Yes, and ensure the fair and ethical and equitable people process and practices is mainly do in people related in employee championship. Yes, thank you to giving to time to listen to me.